Alia is leaving Bollywood and getting married this year. Is Alia Bhatt ready to leave her shining Bollywood career to get married with her longtime boyfriend Ranbir Kapoor? Well, current reports are suggesting that Alia Bhatt has decided to leave her Bollywood career, which was going really well. Let us find out in this video what really happened that made the actress take such a drastic step. Well, the internet was flooded with news regarding the marriage of Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor. As per reports, Alia and Ranbir were supposed to get married during the end of December this year, but Rishi Kapoor's demise changed everything. Even though she was ready to get married with Ranbir Kapoor, but she was not at all ready to leave her shining Bollywood career. Then what made his one of the leading actresses of Bollywood take such a decision? Recent demise of extremely talented Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput changed many things in Bollywood. People have started trolling Bollywood star kids, and all the nepotism products in Bollywood has started receiving backlash from people. All the Bollywood lovers have decided to ban the star kids and boycott their movies totally. Alia Bhatt is one of the most affected nepotism products who is getting immense hatred from people. She lost huge number of followers and is receiving derogatory comments in social media, which is why she has disabled comments from her post. Alia Bhatt has lost more than 7 lakh followers on her Instagram account, which is a big loss. People have boycotted her upcoming movies like Sadak 2, Brahmastra and many more because of the presence of Nepo kids. Alia's movies have already got banned in the state Bihar along with Karan Johar and Salman Khan. The future of her upcoming movie Gangubai Kathiawadi is unknown, as a case has been filed against Sanjay Leela Bhansali. As Alia's movies are getting banned and people are boycotting her, Sanjay Leela Bhansali is also thinking about casting another star. And Alia is losing all the movies she had in her hand, as filmmakers are not ready to work with her at this current situation. Filmmakers are worried about facing a huge loss by casting star kids like Alia Bhatt, as people won't come to theatres to watch her movies. As Alia is watching her career getting sunk, she decided to end her career at this point as she is not getting any work. If reports are to be believed, then Alia would finish all her pending projects, and after that, she'll start her preparation for marriage. As soon as the situation gets better after the pandemic, Alia Bhatt will be marrying Ranbir Kapoor and settle down. Well, what do you guys think? Do you think this is the end of Alia's career? Let us know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more Bollywood updates.